kind of fish you trying to catch today?
Any.
Anything that's biting? What'd you catch last time?
Grassy.
What else?
And a cabby.
A cabbie? Get him. What's up, bud? You catch a fish yet?
Got a bite.
You got a bite?
Right here, under that rock.
Almost beat it. What's up, buddy? Any fish yet?
Almost.
Get any bites?
Yep. One up there.
Gotta get you on some cabbie. Get you on some fish today.
I don't know where you got that fish, where you got that bite.
No, I got a bite, but I couldn't bring him in.
Show me where he is. Oh.
What? I don't know. But I do know we need to...
Right here.
Let's catch some fish right here. Right over there. Yeah, right over here.
Where? Right there?
Over here a little bit.
Okay. Follow you. Are you sure?
Positive, bro.
Okay. Can I not laugh?
Right over there. Look. Ready? Let's go. What you got there, buddy?
That cabby.
That's a nice fish there, buddy.
It was hard to catch him.
Nice.
Stuck. Hooked on his mouth loop. Too.
Not a bad deal, huh?
Mm-mm.
Nice catch, kid.
Yep.